What did you write, David?
So I rewrote the sentence as Bill propelled a bullet into Bob. I looked at the verb shot and decided what that really means is pulling the trigger on a gun, which results in a bullet being propelled at high velocity out of the gun's barrel. So it's fair to say that shot becomes propelled a bullet. Given that, I now have propel as my primitive. I have the same rule that says an animate agent that immediately precedes the verb becomes the agent in the frame. So Bill is now my agent. I have my rule that says an inanimate object that immediately follows the verb becomes the object. So bullet is now my object. Even though bullet wasn't in the original sentence, it's by rephrasing it that I can pull that object out. And I can use the constraints of into to determine that the destination of the bullet is inside Bob.
That's good, David. But note that the sentence could have another interpretation also. Imagine that Bill had a camera and Bill was simply taking pictures of Bob.
That's true, Ashok, and I bet if we had used Bill takes a picture of Bob as the meaning of shoot earlier in this lesson, that's probably what I would have thought of first. If I wanted to then put Bill shot Bob in terms of taking a picture into this form, I'd first rewrite it as Bill took a picture of Bob.
That's really interesting, David, because notice if you say Bill took a picture of Bob, it's not clear into what primitive action will this took map into. Perhaps we can discuss this more on the forum. There's one more thing to notice here. Like David says, I can have multiple interpretations of Bill shot Bob. This sentence doesn't help me resolve between those interpretations. Perhaps there is something coming before this sentence in the story or something coming after that that will help me disambiguate. From this sentence itself, we can simply construct two particular interpretations.